Welcome back, everyone. Good Thursday morning. Today's the day we've had our eye on all week, really, here. Today's the day that the changes are going to start rolling through. So we have this nice high pressure over us yesterday. We had nice clear skies. It was a beautiful Wednesday afternoon. Today, already starting off with some changes here. So you can notice that heavier cloud cover. Temperatures in the 50s this morning. It's not a cold start today. Helena, noticeably different. So you really can tell that cloud cover is much heavier. Yesterday we had almost no clouds in the sky for most of the morning. It kind of built up over the afternoon and evening, but it was a fairly clear day. Today already starting off kind of overcast right now. It's 58 degrees in Helena. So we're looking at pretty warm temperatures this morning. 50s, a couple of 60s on the map here. 51 in Great Falls, 52 in Lewistown. In the low 50s along the High Line here. It's a little warmer in the eastern part of the state. Couple of spots in the 60 degrees already this morning, and this afternoon is going to be even warmer in the mid 80s. A couple of spots even hitting the 90s. Now in north central Montana, we're not going to be quite that warm, but still going to be a fairly warm afternoon, potentially a little warmer than yesterday. Now the changes along with that though are rolling in. So you'll notice this little bit of moisture down in the southern part of the state. There were a couple of scattered showers throughout southwest Montana overnight, but we're pretty clear here in north central Montana. Not getting that rainfall just yet, but the high pressure that's kept us nice and dry is breaking down, and you'll notice this rainfall to our north and to our southwest. We have just kind of this unsettled weather rolling on in because we don't have that high pressure to keep us nice and dry. Now we still have kind of this mild high pressure, but that's breaking down as that ridge starts to flatten. That's when we get that instability moving through. And that's going to just be the case here for the next couple of days, kind of this disorganized, showery, unsettled pattern over the next few days. We don't really have a well-defined high or low pressure system as we do over here on the eastern half of the continent. Just really kind of this unsettled pattern for Montana here over the next few days. So that's going to bring us these kind of scattered showers. Not a huge storm coming through, and it's not really going to be anything severe, but just a couple of spotty showers, and that's going to start picking up this afternoon. So you'll notice that in central Montana after the lunchtime hour. That'll continue through the evening. It's going to be a little heavier just north of the capital city. We're not really going to get the worst of it here in Helena, but Great Falls is going to get a little bit more of that. But it's really not going to be super heavy, and that's going to be similar tomorrow as well. Maybe a little bit heavier along the High Line, but really not going to be these all-day rain showers, just going to be some scattered showers. That's where the term comes from, spotty or scattered showers for the next couple of days. Now, not a huge amount of accumulation. This is until Saturday morning, but over the next couple of days after that, the just continued persistent rainfall is what's going to bring us those heavier rainfall amounts. Really not too heavy, and you'll notice around Helena, kind of a dry spot for the capital city. So we're not going to see much rainfall here in Helena, but if you have plans for the weekend, there is a little bit of rainfall coming our way. So it's really not going to be out of here because we have this unsettled weather pattern that's going to be dominating our weather, just bringing these chances of showers. So I don't think it's going to be those all-day showers. I wouldn't stress about bringing a jacket because usually you can find those breaks where you end up drying off anyway. It's not going to be the most beautiful weather over the next couple of days, but certainly it's typical of June in Montana.
Yeah, we'll take it.
Yeah.
All right, thanks, Katie.